Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're making a massive shift. We are totally abandoning that endless, exhausting chase for AI magic buttons. You know the ones. They promise you the moon, but usually just leave you with a messy camera roll and absolutely zero actual sales. Instead, we're focusing on building actual, repeatable online business systems. If you've ever felt like you're putting in maximum effort but getting minimal traction, well, it's highly likely because your efforts are disconnected. But that changes today. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. First, we'll look at the missing system. Then we'll move through the 3 stages: attention, content, and income. Finally, we'll wrap up by looking at the reality of building real systems instead of just relying on magic tricks. Let's dive in. All right, starting with the missing system. We really need to talk about moving from pure effort to actual architecture. So many creators out there put in just a ton of daily effort, but they still suffer from that dreaded blank page syndrome. Why? Well, it's because they lack a connected architecture. On one side, you've got random tactics, right? Opening an app, guessing what to post, writing weak hooks, basically just renting attention from some platform's algorithm. It is exhausting, and frankly, it leads to zero momentum. But when you shift to connected systems, you replace all that guesswork with strategy. You're using content calendars, establishing real email ownership, and presenting targeted offers. Every single post serves a distinct purpose in a much larger machine. Moving right along to stage 1, attention. Let's look at the Instagram growth engine. Now, these 5 distinct AI tools don't just act as some random list of prompts. They actually function as one cohesive content ecosystem. Your 30-day growth strategist locks in your niche plan, then the 3-second hook formula generates those crucial opening lines to literally stop the scroll. And that's absolutely vital because you really only have about 2 seconds before a viewer just swipes away. The calendar builder organizes the chaos, the caption writer drives engagement, and the bio glow up. That ensures that when someone actually visits your profile, it converts them into a loyal follower. And here is the absolute game changer. This entire workflow is designed to take just 60 minutes. Yep, in 1 single hour, you seamlessly move from big picture strategy to crafting hooks, mapping out a calendar, writing specific captions, and polishing your bio. You literally walk away with a month-long plan. It completely destroys the daily friction of waking up, staring at your phone, and thinking, oh, what on earth am I going to post today? Okay, let's jump into stage 2, content. This is the AI YouTube script engine. So once you've actually captured attention with short-form content, you need deep, valuable content to build real authority. But here's the catch. Even the most brilliant creative ideas will completely fail to keep an audience if the script itself is flawed. If your video has a slow intro, zero internal structure, the wrong length, or just a super forced call to action, viewers are going to click away in droves. A great idea simply doesn't automatically equal great retention. Instead of struggling with those common weaknesses and staring at a blinking cursor for hours, this system requires you to answer just 5 simple questions. Just 5. You answer questions about your topic, your audience, tone, and goals. By giving the AI this highly specific context, it generates a complete, structurally sound script in seconds. And honestly, this is the exact same philosophy used in other advanced market pacer tools, like their AI marketing agent. It's all about feeding the AI tight, specific parameters so the output isn't just generic fluff, but perfectly tuned to your actual business architecture. Next up is stage 3, income. Let's break down the income stack blueprint. Now that we have a structured content capturing an audience, it's time to make a massive philosophical shift. We need to move from just renting attention from algorithms to actually building an owned income system. Think of this blueprint like a perfectly moving gear system. First, the content layer attracts attention from strangers. That momentum directly passes to the email layer, which acts as your ownership mechanism, capturing the audience and nurturing that relationship. Finally, that trust is passed to the affiliate layer, where relevant, hand-picked offers create the actual income. It's a continuous loop, and it feels incredibly natural to your audience. This 30-day quick start plan systematically builds one working loop week by week. Week 1, you clarify that content foundation. Week 2, you build the email ownership layer. Week 3, you connect tailored affiliate income offers. And week 4, you launch and track. Notice the golden rule here: depth before width. You get one complete connected loop functioning beautifully before you even think about adding complex new channels or formats. Finally, our last section, real systems, not magic. It's time to set some honest expectations. As we wrap up this explainer, we really have to look at the reality of executing these frameworks. The quote says it all: practical AI resources for people who want usable results, not technical theory or hype. These are highly practical systems, but guess what? They still require you. There are no magic push-button solutions for guaranteed riches here. The architecture absolutely removes the friction of the blank page, but you still have to show up, personalize the outputs, and, actually manage the business. Take a quick moment to honestly ask yourself, are you running a business or are you running 3 disconnected hustles? Look closely at your daily efforts. Are you just posting random content, collecting a few stray emails, and dropping random links? Or is every single action feeding into a unified, repeatable architecture where one step directly empowers the next? It's time to step away from the hype of viral algorithms and stop second-guessing your next move. Use practical AI to guide you, whether that's organizing your content calendar, writing structured video scripts, or building your income stack. Build your own system today. Thanks for joining me on this explainer. I'll leave you with this one thought. If your favorite social media platform literally disappeared tomorrow, would your income survive the week, or would your entire business vanish right along with it?